Hey everyone, I'm back in the shop. Today we're going to be pouring a small concrete pad for that pour thing right there because I picked up an awesome tool. It's not here yet, it's on order. It's a quick jack lift. It's basically like a small version of a car lift, but you don't need like a giant concrete pad to have it. But you do need a little small concrete pad, so that's what I'm going to show you today is the supplies I picked up to basically support that lift.
Turn it up.
So this poor car needs as much help as possible. I've had it for many years. It's had that engine in it, but it's been a very, very long project I had on the back burner for a long time, and it's going to start picking up pace soon, hopefully. But before that can happen, I need to be able to lift it up and actually get up underneath it and work on it. So what I started doing is mapping out, I'm going to build a concrete pad, a strip, from, yay wide all the way across the car, then yay wide across the other side of the car. So to do that, I got bags of cement and more bags of cement. And hang on, let's go to the back right here with all the mess. Oh look, a lot more bags of cement. Oh, my poor truck was so mad at me earlier today towing all this. But hey, you might notice I also built some really big ass shelves. They're 10 feet wide by so many, the wall's 10 feet tall. Well, it's actually a little more than 10 feet, but whatever. I needed something to store my mini things. But I'm gonna start making a form. To do that, gotta move both the motorcycles out of the way and move this poor thing forward so I can make a form. So I'm gonna stop this, move it all, start making the forms. I'll come back. And there it is, guys. There's the the mold, and I went ahead and poured the concrete. And I'll walk around because this thing was a huge pain in the ass. I mixed all this concrete by hand in that bucket. Look at all those bags. This is 26 80-pound bags to make this, because my floor is still, this garage is still not, the floor is not level. So if you notice, it's only 4 inches there, but to the back over here, it is actually 10 inches thick. I'm gonna walk around real quick. Yeah. So I got some fans kind of blowing it off. So there's the first pad. So I got this one, and then I'll have to put another one basically about where this sits. That's tomorrow, because I'm exhausted, because that was I'm not gonna say what that was. You know what it was. It was a huge pain. But you can see, look at that. 10 inches thick. But it's poured. Took me a good long while. It actually smoothed out pretty easily. It was pretty good. So I got to clean up this huge mess. And then tomorrow I got to go, I got enough bags. I need 10 more bags to do the next one. So that would be, I'm guessing, another 26 bags. And then after that, I gotta let this dry. If you look online, it says it takes concrete 25 days to fully cure. So in the next few days, I can actually walk on it. But to actually put a lift in a car on top of it, I'm gonna wait like 20 days. So I don't want this thing, breaking apart on me. It costs quite a bit of money. So I got some extra bags there. Extra bags there. I gotta put all that in the trash bag. But yeah, I just built a mold out of basically scrap wood that I had from building those shelves. It's not pretty, but it worked. Once I break it off, it'll actually look pretty good. And then after that's all done and I'm ready to put the car on it, I'm gonna put like a little gradual, I'm gonna take a little concrete, make a little gradual like ramp. That way I'm not like, jumping up on there. So I'm gonna let the fans run all night, dry it out. Hopefully it'll set up a little bit tomorrow, and then start on the other side. Yeah. So guys, I gotta tell you, if you're planning on doing something like I'm doing, hopefully you're not, because that's a no. I would do it again, but let me see if I can walk back here without falling. I did it by hand with that bucket, and I mixed it with a shovel. So I just mixed it back and forth, sprayed water, mixed it, and that's how I made it. And I put one bag at a time in that thing. I did 2 at one point, and it was too much. It was, you know, crap everywhere. So I just did 1 bag at a time and just poured it in. So would I recommend doing it the same way I did? No. No one should ever do it that way. I'm an idiot. And I know a lot of people are going to tell me, why didn't you just get a concrete truck? I wish I could have. But where this shop sits in my backyard, a truck can't get here. So my garage actually sits on off the main road on the back of my house, but my house is about 20 feet off above the main road. I'm up on like a weird hill. It's actually really cool, but because of that, a truck can't get to my garage easily, and it cannot get behind my house down my driveway for basically the same reason. There's not enough room. So everything I've had to do in this garage has been just pure manpower and nightmare. But hey, it's getting done. Little by little. See, look at that. Awesome. Hey, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, hit that little subscribe button. You guys will be able to watch that lift come in soon. Raised, well, it's covered up by a pegboard right now, but raise up that car, get working on that. And I really need to get these 2 finished. And that thing. Yeah, I got way too much stuff going on. I need like an assistant. You know anyone who likes to work for free, let me know. But hey, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for coming by and watching.